Welcome to our lesson on repurposing and updating content, a vital module within the content marketing course of our Digital Marketer program. In today's session, we explore how to breathe new life into existing material, transforming blogs into videos, articles into infographics, and more. This lesson will guide you through the concepts, strategies, and real-life examples that empower you to keep content fresh and engaging. Prepare to discover creative methods that can expand your reach and enhance your digital marketing success. Content repurposing is the process of transforming existing material into new formats that cater to different audiences and platforms. It involves rethinking and reshaping content so that it remains relevant and engaging over time. In this scene, we break down the concept by defining key terms and outlining the benefits, such as extending the lifespan of your content and maximizing your return on investment. Visual diagrams and charts will illustrate how a single piece of content can evolve into various multimedia forms while maintaining its core message. Updating content means refreshing older material to ensure its accuracy and relevance in a changing digital landscape. This scene discusses why it's important to periodically review and revise your content, from tweaking statistics to adjusting SEO strategies. We'll highlight best practices for incorporating new insights and trends without losing the original context. By comparing before and after examples through diagrams and data sets, you'll learn how updating content can drive increased traffic and improve user engagement, making your marketing efforts more efficient. In this scene, we introduce a visual comparison between repurposing and updating content. Using clear charts and diagrams, we map out the differences, benefits, and ideal scenarios for each approach. The visuals illustrate how repurposing transforms content formats, while updating refines and modernizes existing material. By analyzing these diagrams, you'll gain insights into when to choose one strategy over the other. This clear graphical representation helps simplify decision-making processes for digital marketers striving to maintain relevance and audience engagement. Let's dive into a real-life case study where a popular blog post was repurposed into an engaging video. This example details the journey from initial content creation to identifying the potential for a multimedia transformation. We'll examine the planning, production, and distribution phases that led to increased reach and engagement. Screenshots and website references underscore key moments in the process. This story not only demonstrates the power of repurposing, but also provides actionable insights that you can apply to your own content strategy. In today's digital age, successful content strategies are often inspired by leading industry examples. This scene presents screenshots and website references from top marketing platforms such as HubSpot and Content Marketing Institute. We explore how these sites showcase repurposing techniques, like transforming long-form articles into social media snippets or webinars. By analyzing these real-world examples, you gain a clearer understanding of effective layouts, design choices, and user engagement tactics. These visuals serve as a practical guide, bridging theory and application for digital marketers. Knowing which pieces of content are ripe for repurposing is crucial for efficient marketing. In this scene, we discuss criteria for selecting content that has performed well in the past or addresses evergreen topics. Using a combination of analytics datasets and trend reports, we show you how to identify high-impact pieces. Practical tips include reviewing engagement metrics and audience feedback. This targeted approach enables you to pinpoint opportunities where a simple transformation can amplify reach, making your content strategy more robust and sustainable over time. Meet Alex, a digital marketer who transformed stagnant content into a dynamic multimedia campaign. In this narrative, Alex identifies an underperforming blog and reimagines it as a series of interactive social media posts, infographics, and a podcast episode. This personal story illustrates the creative process and challenges faced during repurposing. Along the way, Alex uses charts and data to track improvements in engagement and traffic. This engaging storytelling session not only inspires, but also provides a roadmap for overcoming common obstacles in content marketing. Data is at the heart of successful content strategies. In this scene, we delve into industry data sets that highlight the measurable benefits of content repurposing. You'll learn how to analyze metrics such as engagement rates, page views, and social shares to make informed decisions about which content to update or transform. Visual graphs and statistical charts will guide you through understanding trends and ROI. By integrating data-driven insights into your marketing strategy, you can optimize your content for maximum impact and ensure your efforts are both efficient and effective. Visualize your content's journey with a detailed diagram of the content lifecycle. This scene features a step-by-step graphical representation showing how a single piece of content evolves, from creation and initial publication to repurposing and updating. The diagram highlights key touchpoints where transformation is most effective, helping you understand when to refresh material or convert it into another format. This strategic view reinforces the idea that content is dynamic and should adapt to changing market trends, ensuring longevity and continued relevance in a competitive digital landscape. Conducting a comprehensive content audit is essential for identifying repurposing opportunities. In this scene, we introduce various tools and strategies that digital marketers use to evaluate existing content. You'll learn about software options for tracking performance metrics and identifying content gaps. We also discuss step-by-step audit methodologies, supported by flowcharts and data visuals that can streamline your process. By applying these techniques, you'll be able to pinpoint outdated materials and determine the best way to either update or repurpose them for improved audience engagement. Explore a compelling case study of a brand that significantly boosted its online presence by repurposing content. This real-life example details how the brand restructured articles, social posts, and video content to better resonate with its audience. We outline the initial challenges, the strategic overhaul, and the measurable outcomes, supported by before and after engagement charts and website analytics screenshots. This case study illustrates not only the creative process, but also the tangible benefits that come from effectively reusing and refreshing content in a competitive digital market. In this scene, we take a closer look at industry-leading websites that offer innovative tips on content repurposing and updating. We review specific pages, supported by screenshots, that break down actionable techniques and strategic advice. These online resources, from well-known marketing blogs to specialized content strategy platforms, serve as inspiration for creating your own repurposing projects. The session emphasizes learning from established examples and adapting their best practices to suit your unique audience and brand voice, thereby enhancing your overall content marketing strategy. Updating older content is key to maintaining relevance in a fast-paced digital world. This scene discusses practical strategies for refreshing material, from updating statistics and incorporating current trends to redesigning layouts for a modern look. We present diagrams and flowcharts that outline a systematic approach to content updating. By leveraging both quantitative data and qualitative insights, you can transform outdated content into a powerful tool that meets current SEO and user experience standards. This proactive strategy ensures your content remains valuable and continues to drive engagement over time. Let's recap the main takeaways from today's lesson. We explored the dual strategies of repurposing and updating content, defined essential concepts, and examined real-life case studies. You learned how to identify high-impact content using datasets, visualized the content lifecycle, and discovered practical tools for content audits. The session combined storytelling, charts, website references, and diagrams to provide a comprehensive understanding of how to extend the lifespan of your content. This summary reinforces the key strategies and techniques that can transform your digital marketing efforts. In our final scene, we highlight the real-life benefits of mastering content, repurposing, and updating. By applying these strategies, you can significantly boost engagement, extend content lifespan, and achieve a higher return on investment. Digital marketers have seen increased traffic, improved SEO rankings, and enhanced audience loyalty by refreshing their content strategies. As you move forward, consider how these methods can be tailored to your brand's unique needs. Embrace continuous learning and innovation, and watch as your revitalized content drives lasting success in today's dynamic digital marketplace.